So let us consider an example. Check whether the following system is time invariant or not. So the given problem is y of t equal to x of t into cos of 200 pi t. So we have to check whether this system is time invariant or not. So let us first understand the problem. So the system is there here. For this system, they are applying input as a x of t. So and output y of t. So what they are getting means x of t. So the input signal that has been multiplied by cos of 200 pi t. Suppose for an example you can consider this x of t as a sine 200 pi t. If this x of t is a sinusoidal signal, that is sine 200 pi t, so that is multiplied with cos 200 pi t. So the system job is that whatever the input signal is there, that has been multiplied with cos 200 pi t. So that is nothing but y of t. So the output we are getting. Okay. So now for the same system, so if I delay, that means by t naught, x of t minus t naught, the signal is delayed. So then what output I am getting means, see here x of t is there, that x of t is multiplied with cos of 200 pi t. Similarly here whatever the signal x of t minus t naught, so that is multiplied with cos 200 pi t. So this is nothing but your system output. So this system output, so mathematically I am representing as y of t comma t naught, which is equal to x of t minus t naught cos 200 pi t. So call this as a equation number 1. So hope you understood. Whenever there is input x of t is there, this x of t is multiplied by cos 200 pi t. Similarly, the delayed function I have taken x of t minus t naught, because there is a time shift is there according to our definition. So we have to check if there is a time shift in the input leads to a corresponding time shift in the output, then the system is time invariant. So that's why, so I have taken the time delayed input signal x of t minus t naught. So whatever the signal this is there, this has been multiplied with cos 200 pi t. So that is nothing but given system. So mathematically I have written it as a y of t comma t naught equal to x of t minus t naught into cos 200 pi t. So now consider the given problem, that is nothing but y of t equal to x of t into cos of 200 pi t. So now for this I will change this t with t minus t naught. So that means every t is replaced by t minus t naught. So again here also cos 200 pi into bracket t minus t naught. So I will call this as a equation number 2. So this is a equation number 2. So now compare equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. That means y of t comma t naught. So that has been compared with y of t minus t naught. So by seeing this, both the equations are different and both are unequal. Once the inequality condition exists here, hence the system is time variant. The given system is time variant. See, if we will get y of t comma t naught, which is equal to y of t minus t naught, so then we are calling it as a system as a invariant. Now the inequality satisfies, hence it is a time variant.